guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be an unboxing. Actually, the brand this is from, mintMONGOOSE. I still haven't uploaded my video from last month, but you know, it's okay. I opened it, but I was able to repackage it back very well. So if you remember in my last video, this is the package that it came in, and they actually put the card on the outside. There's a little bird on it, and now I'll read this in a second. This is the branded seal that I cut open in my last video that you couldn't see on the package, but this is it. So today's package did not come with as much like in it as the previous package did. So it came with the little thank you card, little candy like the last time, and I was able to keep, you know, this in the little paper card this time, but I took this one out. So when I open up the paper, these two didn't come with the little piece on like you did the last time. It's just this one, but it's okay, obviously. Before I open the jewelry, I'm gonna read the card. So it says, "Live like the birds." Our inspiration behind this set. So this month's set is inspired by the birds flying all around us, giving us a visualization and real life example of living free. So this is what the jewelry looks like on the card, but you're going to see it in just a second. I'm going to get into reading it. Most sets I create are inspired by a specific moment in life. This set is a little different. It is inspired by a realization. About a year ago, I discovered these adorable bird feeders that suction to the outside of a window and have an area where you can put a bird seed and the birds can sit and eat. As soon as I saw them, I knew the kids would love them. Well, love is an understatement. Instead, the visiting birds became a part of our daily life. Emma, age 6, would name them as they stopped by for a seed or two. And Emerson, age 4, would try to get as close as he could without scaring them off. And Emmett, 15 months, well, he didn't really notice. A bird has been a common explanation in our house. I hadn't realized how special those birds being a part of our story was until last week when we took the feeders down because the California heat hadn't been kind to them and they were falling apart. Now that they're gone, I miss them. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it reminds you to take notice of the stunning creatures flying overhead, to learn from them, and inspires you to live life as freely as they do. Love, Helena, the mama behind mintMONGOOSE. And I don't know if it's always the same scripture, but the scripture for this set, I guess, is Matthew 6:25-34. And then that's the little bird. This is like the main necklace I'm going to open. Oh, this is pretty. I've only looked at this one time, and that was like a couple weeks ago when I first got it. So this is what it looks like. You got the little bird on it. It's kind of like a marble, blue marble background. That's very pretty. And the back is just gold. And again, with these sets, you can either get it in rose gold, silver, or gold, and I have gold hardware. So the second necklace, okay, so it's just a little feather, as you can see, if you can see. And then lastly, these earrings are different than they were last time. Last time I got little studs, and these earrings are just like the necklace with the little flower on it. So what I am going to do is take pictures of this set really quick, because I didn't take any pictures because this is really my first time opening and looking at this set. So I'm going to take these pictures, and when you see me again, I'm going to have this set on, kind of bringing you up close to see. Okay, you guys, so I had to bring you down a little bit to kind of see the necklace, but this is what it looks like on. The gold looks very pretty. The splash of blue is very pretty. I chose to wear this shirt because I thought it would, I don't know, compliment. These are the earrings. It is very freaking pretty. It's a cute set. I really like that I can add this to my lineup. These will probably pair well with my last month's set in different variations. It will pair well, so can't wait to mix and match and add other stackables to this set. And this one is very long. Like, this one can go all the way down. I had to like make it tighter so it could be up some. Like I mentioned in my previous mintMONGOOSE video, mintMONGOOSE, my favorite thing about them is the inclusiveness of their necklaces, meaning that it has the adjustable clips. Let me show you. So this is the one from last month. And this is what I mean, the adjustable clasp. So it has multiple little holes, and you can choose which one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you need it to be tight, it can be very tight. If you need it to be long, you can put it on the last one. And that's very inclusive because most necklaces don't have that. And if you just so happen to be a bigger person or just somebody with a thicker neck in general, though necklaces that doesn't have that can be such an inconvenience. I love that these do. But that is it for this video. I have a discount code that is on the screen in the description box. I also have a link to their website as well in the description box. Last month's video in the description box, so make sure to check the description box. But other than that, that's it for this video. So please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Comment if you've tried mintMONGOOSE or if you would consider trying mintMONGOOSE. You know, share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I finally reached 400 subscribers, so the next goal is 500. I'm on the road to 500. So if you want to help me make that happen, then subscribe. I would deeply and greatly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.